today is a channel called Kara and Nate. So they are a travel vlogging channel, and they are my favorite people to watch for travel vlogging. A lot of the travel vlogs I did came off inspiration by watching Kara and Nate. I love their videos, but they do a really great job of affiliate marketing. And they also do a really good job with clickbait and getting people to watch their videos and binge watch them and all of those sort of things. And one thing I really like is on their website, they have quarterly income reports. So I actually study those income reports. I find out exactly how much money they're making on ads, exactly what they're doing with courses, exactly what they're doing with affiliate marketing, and then basically their whole business strategy is up there on their income reports. So the first thing I want to point out to you guys, so as you can see, they made $50,000 on their YouTube channel in the last couple of months. And as you can see here, 23 million views. So for those of you who think that my numbers are too high when I do my estimations of times 0.10 and then times 0.03, it's not. So as you can see here, if you multiply, and keep in mind, they don't put as many ads on their videos. So when I do 0.10, I'm saying times 10% click-through rate, but I put like multiple ads in a video. They only put a couple, so that's why they have a lower click-through rate. So actually instead of 10% for them, they get about 7%. So if you multiply this by 0.07, so 7% click-through rate, then you multiply this by 0.03, you'll see those 23 million views gave them around $50,000. So for those of you who think my estimations are off, you guys are wrong. You can see right here, 23 million views got them 50,000. I show you exactly 7% click-through rate, 3 cents per click, and that is going to give them the exact amount of money that I always say to you guys. But as far as doing it without ads, this is what I want to show you. So in the last couple of months, they made $28,000 with affiliate marketing. As you can see, they show all the equipment they use for travel vlogging. So that pulled in $1,266 on Amazon. They also do affiliate links for Epidemic Sound, and that made them $4,000. And then he made $22,000 off creditcards.com. So what he does is he gets people onto his email list, and then he'll send them out credit card offers that can help them travel cheaply and get them really good rewards. And so people sign up to that credit card, and it's basically an affiliate program that he has. And when people sign up to that credit card in order to get cheaper travel, he makes a commission. And he's made $22,000 just off of this creditcards.com affiliate offer. And then there's a couple others that they use as well. So if we go in and study their channel, you'll see they've done a whole bunch of stuff here to monetize this channel without worrying about ads. So not even counting their ads, you know, they're still making a business out of this. Because what they have here is an app. And so this is an app that actually gives you, it emails you automatically really cheap flights, okay? So that's one thing they do. And so they do that for a couple bucks a month, and I guarantee they get good money off of that. And then this is where they do their Epidemic Sound link that gets them around $4,000 a month. So there's another one right there that's really, really cool. And then on top of that, they also have the free airport lounge access, and this is how they get them onto their email list. And once they get them onto their email list, then they're able to send them on their email list, and then they're able to send them those credit cards that helps them get these credit card affiliate sales that they get as well. They also have a partnership with Airbnb, so they have an affiliate link through there as well. They also have another way to sign up for their email list, and then these are their Amazon links that are their current gear, so this takes them to an Amazon link basically. They also have Patreon and all of these things that they have. And so as you can see, you know, all of those things combined that they're doing are giving them, you know, somewhere around $28,000, you know, in just a couple of months with affiliate marketing. So really cool strategy that they have. That's really, really cool stuff. And then here's another example. So in the exercise niche, so this is a great targeting right here. So as you can see here, my ultimate butt exercise compilation. So these are going to be audiences that are strictly interested in getting a better butt, okay? So they have butt exercises in this video. And then on top of that, right here, they have build a booty program. And so I believe this is the actual girl. So as you can see, she has like workout things here. One thing she could do that she's kind of missing out on is she could actually probably charge $5 for this whole setup and, you know, probably make a pretty good amount of money off of how many subs she has, right? And then on top of that, if you're not someone who would want to build a program for how to do good butts, that's where you can go to ClickBank, JVZoo, or you can work with any sort of brand to find the right that would actually work with you and give you affiliate commissions for selling their programs. Obviously, there's tons of build a better butt programs online, right? So you could do the same thing where you basically take like, you know, compilations of, you know, people doing butt workouts, and then you could literally you know, flash something up at the beginning and say, you know, without even having to make the video or talk in it, you can just flash something up that says, hey, go down below and check out how hundreds of people have gotten, you know, rock solid butt by using this program. And then go down here, and then you can literally just do an affiliate link to an offer. That's really doing a good job of matching the niche with the product, because those are people that are only interested in building a good butt, and then it's a program only interested in building a good butt. So then once they're all going to click that link, and then the sales page, if it's really good at selling getting a good butt, you know, they're probably going to buy that program and you're going to make commissions. And obviously these type of videos get hundreds of thousands, if not millions of views, okay? So there's another idea of what you can do. And then here's a third one. So this is in the motivation niche. And what you'll see here is they have Amazon links, because obviously obviously the motivation niche, you know, audio books and podcasts and things like that, a lot of them are, you know, targeted towards motivation, right? So if you click here and look at this, you'll see that they are basically just getting people into motivation audiobooks, and you're downloading 1 free audiobook and 2 Audible originals, right? And so every time someone signs up to this, they get an affiliate commission. And then they do the same thing here with this one. Listen to motivation, get your free audiobook. So I'm sure a lot of people that love listening to these motivation videos right here go and actually want to listen to these audio books too, and they make commissions off that. And then on top of that, they could do motivation books. They could do programs on ClickBank, on JVZoo, which again are free affiliate networks that you can sign up for that have motivation type interests with some of the programs that they have. So those are just a few of the new ideas of things that you can do outside of just advertising. And so in my course, I have over 6 hours of content on exactly how you're going to build up this audience. It's way different than any other course on affiliate marketing, because I actually teach you a very unique and easy strategy for building hundreds of thousands of your audience in a certain niche that you can then laser target with products that are actually high-paying, high-commission products, and you know, all sorts of strategies for how you can literally start making money right now today with your YouTube channel, even if you don't even have one yet. So it's very step-by-step. It's for new students and students that have gotten my other courses. It doesn't matter. There is no prerequisite for this course. So you have until midnight tonight. And as you can see here, we're already up to 93 students in this affiliate marketing course, and I've only had it out for a few days. A lot of them are reoccurring students that have already bought one of my other courses, which shows you how good my courses are, because these are students that already went through a different one of my courses, liked it so much that many students have actually jumped in and paid me another $145 for another one of my courses. So that just shows you the kind of quality I have in my courses. So hopefully that helps you out. I'm out. Thanks a lot for watching. Peace.